Sponsored by
कब्ज और उससे संबंधित तकलीफों का समाधान, बैद्यनाथ कब्ज आहार दे, कब्ज में आराम, प्राकृतिक और सुरक्षित।
Against the backdrop of political, economic and judicial crisis, Pakistan kicked off voting for the general elections on Thursday with 128 million voters set to exercise their adult franchise. The citizens of Pakistan would be electing 226 representatives to form the 16th parliamentary government in Islamabad, while also electing legislatures of the country's 4 provinces, Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Significantly, the elections have been battered by violence across Pakistan for weeks now, wherein the recent most bomb explosion in Balochistan claimed at least 28 lives. Meanwhile, in the midst of the ongoing election, Pakistan has suspended mobile phone services across the nation, citing the need to maintain law and order, the Interior Ministry stated. In the region of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the Taliban launched an assault on a polling station close to the Afghan border, resulting in injuries to 3 female election officials. The targeted attack in Balochistan, which comes on the eve of the general elections, has left dozens of people wounded. While the first blast killed 16 people in Pishan district, the second explosion claimed 12 lives in Khyal Saifullah to the east. The Islamic State group has claimed responsibility for both the attacks. It is widely acknowledged that the Pakistani military has significant influence over the country's political landscape, often determining the leadership and direction of governance. Since Pakistan's inception in 1947, the prime ministership of 29 individuals has not been successful in serving their entire 5-year term. Instead, they were either forcibly removed or eliminated by the military establishment. Approximately 2 years prior, after departure of Imran Khan from office in April 2022, Shehbaz Sharif assumed the role of Prime Minister with the backing of the military. However, Shehbaz also tendered his resignation 6 months ago. Following this development, re-elections were postponed while former Prime Minister Imran Khan persistently advocated for prompt elections. Finally, after numerous interventions by the Supreme Court, the date for voting was ultimately set for February 8th. However, post the ruling, Imran Khan was handed down a 10-year jail sentence in both the Toshakhana scandal and Safer case. Consequently, Imran Khan was disqualified from the race for Prime Minister and his political party PTI was stripped of its electoral symbol. The prevailing consensus among analysts suggests that the Pakistani military is seeking to reinstate Nawaz Sharif as the leader. Despite public support favoring the imprisoned Imran Khan, Army Chief Asim Munir has intervened, hindering Khan's path. Nawaz Sharif, supported by the military, is aligned with Western interests, known for his efforts to enhance relations with Bharat. His prior engagements with Bharatiya leaders, especially with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, indicate his readiness to participate in discussions and promote initiatives for peace. In contrast, if Bilawal Bhutto Zardari from the Pakistan People's Party wins the election, it would negatively impact Bharat's already sour relations with its neighbouring country. Bhutto, former foreign minister, is well known for frequently making diplomatic mistakes and using strong language, especially when talking about Bharat. When it comes to Imran Khan's time as Prime Minister, it yielded both negative and positive results. He carried out certain developmental projects such as Kartarpur Corridor project for better relations with Bharat. However, there were also times when tensions got worse, especially over the issue of Jammu and Kashmir.